YouTube, back with the 2500. So I've got some motor mounts and the front transmission seal. I'm going to stick these on now and gasket up this engine, then I can start dropping it in. Well, forgot to record it, but all the front stuff is now on. I need to flip it over, pick it up, then I'm going to do the rear cover. Once I get the rear cover on, put it back on the engine stand, and I can do the oil pan. All the gaskets are on, everything's put back together. Freaking camera keeps overheating, so didn't get a lot of it, I guess, but it's about time to stick it in now. Oh, I do still have to put the seal on the front of this transmission. Got the seal in the transmission, the torque converter's on. Now I gotta stick the flywheel on the engine and start picking it up. Everything's together. Gonna start dropping it in. All the upper gaskets I'll just do when it's in here. This freaking new tripod doesn't go up high enough, so I can show you what's going on. It's about to sit down on the motor mounts, and I'm gonna hook it up to the transmission. So engine is all bolted up to the transmission. Torque converter and flywheel are bolted up. Front accessories are on. Need to put the fan and shroud in. All the hoses and everything are on. Right now I'm soldering up some wires. This one goes to the oil sensor on the pan. And back here I did the cam sensor and oil pressure sensor. Put new pigtails on them. Stock ones. I don't know why this focus is being crazy. The stock ones were just bare. I'm putting new pigtails now, soldering them up. Gonna tape them up, shrink wrap them, all that good stuff, and then I can put this intake on. All the pigtails finished up, buttoned up, so I got the heads clean now. Gonna put the intake on. The fresh gaskets. Guys, don't forget the fucking knock sensor harness. Intake is on. Starter's on. Wiring is all hooked up. Now I need to put the exhaust manifolds on. And then I have to put the computer back in, slap a belt on this baby, and get the airbox on. And then I got the battery on the charger, so I'm gonna try and start it once I get all that stuff on. This is what's wrong with it, just the clip part snapped off, so I'm gonna change the whole coil pack. Everything electrical is done, starter's hooked up, all the exhaust is on, O2s are plugged in, so I'm gonna jam some oil in it, Need to put a spark plug on it, spark plugs in it, and spark plug wires on it. And I got that coil pack changed. So I'm gonna stick oil in it now. Before I jump started, I'm gonna check some stuff. I believe I left like 2 grounds off. There's a ground back there. There's a ground up here on the frame. Okay, I fixed the grounds. There was 3 I was missing. There's 2 back there, and then this one. This is just body to body though. I don't know how big of a deal it was. And then this one. And the ground down there I already had. Hey. Oh, it's like out of power steering fluid, so it's whining. Okay, so since she runs, I'm gonna go take it on a little test drive. Gotta get some water in it. And I put everything else back on, the fans back on, clean stuff up, make it look pretty. I'm gonna go test drive it, see how she works. Dude, she fucking does a smoker in dirt now. Don't mind the squeak, it's the drive shaft. Got a water leak.
Yeah, I bet.
Well, that's it for the engine swap side of things. From here on out, it basically needs a bunch of cosmetic stuff, interior parts, headlights, taillights, all that good stuff. But engine's done, runs and drives good, shifts smooth, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.